What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to stop some of that unwanted vibration and rattling noise between the plastic and your door panel using this foam aluminum tape. First, you're going to remove the door panel. You're going to see some of these felt things along the edges and things. You might want to place some of it in those type of areas where it's going to contact. Also, we're going to be placing some on the metal parts of the door where the plastic will also be hitting. Next, we're going to be popping that back in place by aligning the green pops. You're going to want to run your hand along the edges here, pushing everything in, making sure it's secure. There's also going to be a screw somewhere in the door, most likely, that you will have to screw back in. Next, there's about 6 screws in my button area that controls everything. So after I get those screws in, I'm going to pop this bad boy back in. Next, you're going to want to check all your connections, make sure your windows and everything like that work, and then you should be good to go, guys.